Alright, it's time to cook dinner. But here's the problem. We've got a fairly unappetizing cold pizza. And the fridge inside has a ton of other stuff that's not that appetizing by itself. This is a piece of corn. This is a single hot dog. It's a little bit sad looking. We could eat all these separately. Let's be honest, they might not taste that good. So what are we going to do with this? I think you can probably see where I'm going. Here in close-up is our somewhat underwhelming pizza. This has been sitting in the fridge for a day. It's just your standard, normal cheese pizza. And let's be honest, cheese pizza is good in general, but it could be better. So here we go, fresh onions. Fresh hot peppers from the garden, only on 2 pieces. Piece number 3 is for a little one. Some chopped up corn. Corn on a pizza is controversial to some people, including me, but we've got it, so it's going on. And a big ol', I call this a hot dog. Costco calls it a high-end sausage. Somewhere in the middle. Wow, that is a lot. This is going to be a loaded pizza. Look at this. And then putting that all together. We need some cheese. Here's the cheese. Cheese is really important if you're going to load up a pizza like this and reheat it, because it's going to melt, kind of tie all of this together. Alright, that looks pretty good. I need a little more cheese here. And then we're just going to pop this into the middle of a preheated oven. When that pizza comes out, it looks like this. That looks so good. It looks hot, it looks loaded, it looks delicious. Let's give it a try. Ooh, this is not as easy as I thought. Alright, let's give this a shot. It's good. It is so good. There's too much meat on that middle one, at least in that one bite. That's okay. And on this also, we've got so much pepper to give it some flavor. The melted cheese. This is 100 times better than the normal kind of just reheated cheese pizza you might have. Look, let's be honest. This is not earth-shattering cooking. It's so easy. But this can really save your bacon, so to speak. If you want a quick meal, you've got some leftovers. Maybe the leftovers are all over the place, but they would go together well on top of a pizza. And really, what doesn't? Well, that's kind of it for today. We're going to go enjoy our leftovers. Happy Friday afternoon. If you like this, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to. And then join me next time when Busy Dad is cooking.